This video I'm going to show you how do I install all the program that I have to use in just one single command by using the script that I created by myself, right? So if you want to download this script or you want to check out how does it look like or what inside of this script, just go ahead and do that. So if you haven't downloaded my config file yet, I want you to open up your web browser. At the address bar, I want you to type in github.com/faroukphuket/desktop-i3 and then hit enter. It's going to take you to this page. By the way, if you watch this video, the link will be at the description down below. All you have to do, just click on it and then it will take you to this page. Now, I am assuming that you already cloned this repo into your computer. So let's open up the terminal. My terminal look very bad, so I have to do some configs in here. Okay, that maybe look better. Alright, now let's type in ls. You're going to have the desktop i3, this folder. So just cd in that. Type in cd desktop -i3 and then hit enter. Type in ls. It should be inside of the install. Type in cd install, then type ls, hit enter. So I'm going to run this file. So what I'm doing now is I type in // and then run, hit tab, hit enter. Right now it's going to do thing for me. Now hit enter and then type in my password. So all I have to do now, I have to wait until all the process is done. But you see that it's just only one single command and everything done. From the very start up until now, you know that it took me 26 minutes already. And this will be the last program that I am going to install via this script. And is have to download it from the Snap Store. So right now, after it's already installed the Snapd, it's now download the program called Puddle Tag. I need the program called Puddle Tag. If I want to edit the text of MP3 file or the OGG file, Puddle Tag is very good program. Or let me say this, all the program that I have installed by this script is I have to use it in every machine of my daily use. Without all of them, I think to using the computer for me is not going to be easy. Now to set up the Puddle Tag is going to take me for another half an hour. It's quite a long time with this to download. It will be depending on the internet connection too, and my internet connection here I use is via mobile. Is the hell slow. So you know, if I have to download the file like 60 megabyte, it's gonna take me like half an hour. Let's say that it's very bad connection that I have here, because the good connection one, good speed one, is cost too much money, and I am somebody who a poor guy, so it's too much for me. It's overrated. So to install the program by using the script like what I do now, after I already run the script, I just go away and then I'll be back in, let's say, 1 hour, and I know that everything is already done for me. So this is the power of Linux. If you use Linux, one single command do something for you. You can do things automatically without ever touch it. But again, to using Linux is not that easy compared to Windows. You know, when you use Windows, you have to learn to use Windows. When you use to Windows XP, like myself do back in time, I have to learn how to use Windows 7, and then after that Windows 10 is coming out. But anyway, I stopped using Windows right after I see Ubuntu version 7 coming out. That time is 7.04, and then I start to use Ubuntu since then. After I start to using Linux, I never again back to Windows, and I never have any feeling at all to go back to Windows. It's not because of Windows is bad, no. Windows is good, but I just do not want to use it. I just want to use something that I can learn on that. And with Linux, you have a lot of things to learn, and sometimes you get very frustrated when you do things stupid. So when I recommend this to people, I always telling them that, hey, do not do dual boot. So that one is the first thing that I say. And hey, do not do it on your real machine. You have to learn to use it from the program like VMware or VirtualBox first. You have to try to get used to it first, and then when you feel comfortable with that, you can do something new. As you can see now at the bottom right, so you can see that I have another 20 something minute more to wait until this process done. I'll be back when it's done. From the very start up until now, it took me 1 hour 13 minutes. Let's say 1 hour and 14 minutes by now. So you know, if I'm not cut this video off, that how long for this video is. Alright, now all of my program already has installed. Now let's have a look. If you follow along and you use my configs i3, this is what you're gonna do. To open up the program, you press mod key D, and it will list all the program for you right here. So let's see what we have in here. Akisub is a subtitle editor, and application finder is a finder like this. But when you use i3wm, you're going to set up the shortcut key by press mod key and followed by the button on your keyboard. So that way it's going to be easier for you to open up the program. Like for example, if I want to open up Firefox, I press mod key F2, it's going to open up Firefox for me. If I want to close Firefox, I just press mod key Shift Q, then Firefox is gone. And you know that I have the workspace, the number up here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up until 8. That will be the workspace. So this video just want to show you that you can run just one single command and then you can go away. And then 1 hour after you come back, or the program that you want it to be installed is already done, and then you can use it. So that is the power of Linux is. Alright, that's how I do it. Thanks for watching. See you on next video. Bye bye.